silk comes out of their mouths in one single thread, 600 metres long. It takes them 3 days to finish spinning. People made lovely things from silk in China.
Never has more been said and so little done. Delays painfully foolish when cities crash and empires self-destruct. Is it too late for the magic gate?
The Blueies proudly display their famed blue tongue, which doubles as a fashion accessory and defensive weapon when they are threatened.
Pygmy blue-tongued skink, which was thought to be extinct for over 30 years before it was rediscovered. So that's two great stories. So here we are. We've spent the past few days filming them, but I'm the least important bit of it because the natural history filming, which is the important bit.
The babies will double their weight in the first week. Baby whales are called calves. Not that sort of calf, although they do drink around 125 litres of their mother's milk every single day. They stick close to their mums for protection.
Hot rocks are fast becoming... Ooh! Waves can also be a source of energy. Wind power is...
If we don't look after our native animals, they'll be stuffed. Vote 1 for wildlife.
Alright everyone, we've got 90% to spend on packaging, so give me some ideas. Let's put the razor in a big colourful box so it looks bigger and better. Fantastic.
What about a flashing light to catch their attention?
That should impress the customer.
Let's add a big picture of a famous person.
Thanks, George. That's got everyone on the right track. Research shows reefs can recover when people take positive action.
Nice one, Georgie. Well done. Thanks, George.
So come along and watch the journey as these two divers swim the line and join the ranks of the Southern Pod. Prior to the mission, the young divers have been studying the Reef Watch, Line Intercept, Transect Survey.
Baby, I tell no lies, oh pretty baby, so glad that I found you.